Hello students, before going to the new chapter construction, first we will learn some basic concept here. First concept is perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So first here I will show you how to draw a line segment and how to draw a bisector of that line segment. First I will take here 8 centimeter. For that you should use pencil and rubber, scale, compass. Don't use sketch pen here. To show you dark I had drawn with the sketch pen. Now take your compass. You can name here line segment as AB. AB. So now measure more than half. Should take more than half. And draw an arc and draw from B side to intersect that previous arc. From the previous arc you should draw a line. Now see, so perpendicular bisector means angle what you are getting here. So which angle you are getting? 90 degree. Now you can check using your protector. So exact 90. So if it is 8 centimeter, correct half means 4 centimeter it came. So likewise you should practice some more students. Here I have did 8, but you do homework as 10 centimeter. And 6 centimeter, and third one whichever in your mind you take that centimeter and draw the perpendicular bisector. Now next we will learn how to draw angle and angle bisector. Now second basic concept is construction of angles and angle bisector using ruler and compass. See here, you should not use protector here. By using compass and ruler you should draw the angles and angle bisector. Now here not necessary of taking measurements, just draw a line segment. Don't take measurement here students, just draw roughly. Okay. Can name here AB or else up from A to Z, whichever you want you can name here. Capital letter it should be. So first I will show you how to draw 60 degree. Now take a measurement of whichever you want. Now draw a semicircle here first. Now without changing this, you should not change the measurement of this semicircle. So you should draw 3 arcs here. This is first arc, second arc, third arc. Each arc will be what? Measuring 60 degree. Should join this first one. This will be 60 degree. Now the second arc will be our 60 plus 60 how much? 120. And this third arc will be our 180. First you should know that concept. So once you are knowing this 2 arcs measurement, by using angle bisector you can draw 90 degree. So take this angle more than half. Draw one arc here. By keeping that point on other side, take intersection arc. Now join. You are getting 90 degree. So this is 60 and this is 60 is half and half means here 30, here 30. So you will draw no, in 9th standard anyhow you have learnt, but again repeat showing how to draw once again. You should practice this. Now I will show how to draw 30 degree here. Once you are knowing this angle is 60, so here by taking more than half If line is there means you will draw the line bisector taking more than half. Same angle bisector is means you should measure the angle and take more than half of that angle. So this will be our 30 degree. Now again, now I will show you how to draw 45 degree. This point is our 90. From here to here you are having 90. So from here you should take more than half, students. More than half and draw arc here. Again you should take intersection arc from the previous side. Now join this. This is our 45 degree. Again this angle is our 30 degree. You can check using protractor here. You practice this. If once you are perfect in this angle bisector and perpendicular bisector, it is very easy to draw similar triangles and dividing the lines in given ratios. Line segments, sorry. You can check here. See. This is 90. So this is 60. This is 30 and this is 45. So this is 120 and this is straight line is 180. You practice this, students. Now students, practice for homework. So this all you can do the direction also if you want. See, draw 30 degree. In one only I have shown here. You draw separate 60, 90, fourth 120. So again this much is enough. Again take fifth 45 also.